To fix the error-code F9Q on a KitchenAid microwave, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. The error-code F9Q is a touch communication error that indicates the touch control panel has failed, with the most common cause being a faulty touchpad. To resolve this issue, start by restarting the microwave, especially if the touchpad came into contact with steam or moisture prior to the error occurring. Unplug the microwave from the power source for a while. Then plug it back in and check if the error code has disappeared. If the issue persists, inspect the communications cable from the user interface control board to the touch panel and replace any damaged parts before attempting to operate the microwave again. It may be necessary to replace the door control assembly if it's not functioning properly, or consider replacing the touchpad itself, which is the black glass insert located at the front of the door. In some cases, it's best to seek the assistance of a technician to replace the faulty part.